good, y'all?
Hey, this big ass jacket finally gonna come
Oh, I'm taking these boots, yo.
I'm going outside.
Alright, cool. Well, I'm about to go outside and see what all this hype is about for this blizzard. Yo, somebody tied these.
Go make Snow Angel.
Alright. It's all wet, man. God damn it. Oh, shit. Look at this. It's up to my door already.
Yeah, we already shoveled that.
Let's go outside. Oh! My God. Hold up. Look at that. Yo, it's crazy out here. We definitely can't get out because the freaking township done freaking put a little... What the hell is this? Hell, the township put that there. Hold up. Yo, CJ, you good?
Somebody can push or drive while I push.
Boy, stuck in the snow. Oh, man. Hold on. Just when you put your lowering springs on. Fuck. We had 20 inches right now. We're supposed to get 30. Let me give you a comparison. It's up to my knees. It's up to my knees. Yeah, we're staying in for the weekend. I'm pretty sure you ain't going to work.
Yo, you wanna try?
Yeah. Slam cars is for the lost right now. I'm gonna help you real quick. Hold on. Nah, we about to get this little TL out of here. Hopefully. I don't think. Hopefully we get somewhere. But it's a lot of snow. Hold on a second. Yo, I'm gonna start trying to push it, alright? Huh?
You try to get behind the car and push.
Alright. We really ain't getting nowhere. Look at outside, man. It's just coming down. Huh?
Said punch it, don't be afraid.
No, I'm reversing, trying to get a preload.
Alright.
This works. Finally got out. Hold on. Ah, success. You was pushing it?
Yeah.
I felt it. I was like, oh shit, God behind me. Whew. God.
That's it, bro.
So we just saved one person. We just saved one person. But it ain't over. It ain't over. Look at that. It ain't over. God damn, look how much snow we got, man. That's crazy. Blame Canada for this. Whew. God dang. Oh, shit. All right, I'm out, man. I'm turning this shit off.